Greetings, friends. It's Denise again with Denise's Dancing Paintbrush, and today I have another collage. This one is not from my children's book, but for me, for fun, for my own edification. I did this one kind of part of a series, I think, as I think more about the Black Lives Matter movement and all of the disparity in this country. I'm not blind to it. I see what's going on, and I am amazed and surprised at anybody who refuses to see what is going on, because it's so in your face. So I designed this picture of a little boy being threatened with guns, people pointing guns at him. So he's just sitting there minding his own business on the sidewalk, and I'm doing it all in collage, torn pieces of paper, as you may have seen me do before. Because collage is so versatile, I like to add words and pictures and assorted other things. So you'll see as I go along, it's going to say Black Lives Matter, and it's going to have little things, little people, birds. There's a wolf I've put up in one of the rifles. At first I was going to put the wolf up there between the two people holding rifles, and then it just looked like it went better on a rifle. But anyway, I entered this picture in an art show recently, and it was almost rejected. I mean, there was a big discussion about how it was of a political nature, and they weren't sure they wanted to have a political picture in the art show. It may, I don't know, go badly with their customers. And even that surprised me. For one thing, this art show is in San Francisco. I mean, what more liberal place could there be? And for another, I don't think this is political. This is common decency. I mean, all lives matter, and Black lives have been treated as if they don't. So what's the harm in saying they matter too? I guess I just don't understand the anger behind the people who just don't want to hear it, don't want to receive it, don't go so far as to throw paint on the street where someone wrote Black Lives Matter, just to cover it up. Is that it? You feel like you need to cover it up? As if that will make it go away? Because it's not going away. And art is one of those things that can change things, I think. It can speak to the conscience of people, and can make you see things in a different way, the way artists see things. So My piece did get into the art show, and they did decide that it wasn't about politics as much as it's about the statement the artist wanted to make. Well, yeah, I agree with that. Artists make statements through their art. I got an honorable mention in the show, and then I saw the email that was sent to all the workers at the art show asking if there was any comments. The president wanted to hear about it. Not the US president, but the president of our arts group wanted to hear if any of the customers had anything to say about the political nature of this picture. Okay, I kind of want to hear too. So, am I out in left field? What's going on when an artist can't pick a subject, depict it the way he or she feels is moving, and not be treated like a, I don't know, pariah? Okay, I'm not going to get it, I guess. I'll never understand. As you can see, there's that little wolf up there, and it's taking the attention away from the rifles and the people's fingers and the face of the little boy, so I'm going to move it. I've got a little bird there, little family bird with a nest. I have to carefully place the features of this little boy. Maybe the question is, what is art for? Is it just plain decoration? Because I don't think so. I think that art is more than decorating your home. It's capturing in an image emotion. It's supposed to make you feel something. It's supposed to make you think. So every now and then, my husband likes to come in and ask if he can interrupt my work and have me fix something for him to eat. And he's such a dear. Of course I will stop and fix him something to eat.
Do you think I could have a breakfast wrap for breakfast?
You sure could, dear.
Yeah.
Here's my finished product. Wanted to focus on the different parts, since there's so many different things to see in this. And I appreciate you watching it to the end. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my links below. I have a Patreon page where people support my work, and I have books available and an Etsy page. So thanks again. Do come again. Bye now.